Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to follow someone in Roblox. Following someone in Roblox is a great way to keep track of their activities and join them in games. So in order to do that, first of all open your Roblox application to get started and log into your account. Once you're logged into Roblox, go to the search icon at the top of the screen and then enter the username of the person you want to follow and search. Now, you have two different options at the top, experiences and people. To follow or add people, tap on the people tab and choose one of the username you are trying to follow, and this will open up their profile. Now, simply tap on the add friend button to add them as your friend. If you want to follow an experience or the game, simply click on experiences option and select one of the game from the list. Now, click on the three dots at the bottom left and click on follow. Soon after you tap on the follow button, the button should now change to gray. That is how you can easily follow someone on Roblox. Now you can keep track of their activities and join them in games. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.